Hi y'all. Let's get ready for Jamaica. No long talking, let's get ready. We have 7 days. I just got my email notification to remind me that my trip is coming up 7 days. So currently, I'm washing some clothes. I want to perm my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna get through that because I do have a video that I'm trying to finish editing. I want to do that, and then yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna perm my hair tonight. I think I'm just gonna wash my bundles tonight, and I'll come home and I'll perm my hair tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Now I'm getting nervous, even though I don't have a lot of stuff to do. I'm still getting very nervous. Like, the only thing I need to leave my house for today, this week, well, actually, I'm gonna message my sister and see if there's anything else on my list that I need to check off. But if not, I think I'm pretty good. Oh, I need to look for balloons too. Yeah, I need to actually, yeah. So I need to make a list, just so I make sure I have everything that I need. But there's nothing, too out of the way or anything like that. Amazon is one call away, Dollarama's one call away, Dollar Tree's one call away. And yeah, don't mind how I sound. I sound very hoarse. One, just went to the Chris Brown concert. And two, I'm still battling with my tonsillitis stuff. If you've been watching my weekly vlogs lately, then you'll be caught up to speed in regards to that. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in. It's about 8 o'clock at night, in the evening, yeah. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So when I figure out what life is gonna be doing, I'll come back and I'll talk to y'all, okay? Hi guys, 6 days till Jamaica. Here I am. It's Tuesday, June 25th, I think. I'm gonna perm my hair now because I have to do it. I have a guest and I was a little bit distracted, but I'm not gonna let her distract me any longer, so I'm gonna do my hair. And I'm not gonna show y'all because we've seen the process before, but when I'm doing my bundles, I'll be back. I was watching some videos yesterday. I think I'm just gonna do what's easier. And yeah, I don't know about the boiling water method thing. I'm not trying to mash up the liquid here. I want to use it, so I'll be back. Here we are, all alone in this room. Oh. Anyways, y'all. I almost lost y'all. Anybody got time? I don't. It's not in the budget this time. So try to stay rich pot today. Anyways, these are the bundles. I remember when I did that, what do I call it? When I did the braids in the front and the curly in the back. Yeah, so these are the bundles. I do have the 18-inch that has not, or 20-inch that hasn't been used yet. But these are the longer ones, so I want to try to get these back to life. They're not as bad as I thought they actually were. When they were in my head, they were a lot more matted. So yeah, I'm just going to try to bring these back to life a little bit and see, because I need these. Yeah, I want to come in. I actually want to start my hair from Thursday. So tomorrow I want to come in and pre-part it. So Thursday I can just come in and start braiding. Friday, braid it all the way. And then Saturday I'm going to have to do it. And then Sunday is just going to have to be a road day and my nail day. Although I don't really have much to buy. I don't think. Oh shoot, I keep forgetting about these balloons. But anyways, so yeah, this is what we're doing. Am I supposed to use hot water, warm water?
Let's take this show on the road. Same shit, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working my nerves. Clock out at phone on do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls. The world is ours, so run it up. Let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too little, slow down. No, me and who when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's fucking go Miami. Let's fucking go Chicago. Let's fucking go be more. Let's fucking go Houston. Let's fucking go Atlanta. Let's fucking go Tokyo. Let's fucking go Brazil. Let's fucking go London. Let's fucking go South Africa. Let's fucking go Korea. Let's fucking go New York. Let's fucking go Toronto. Let's fucking go Paris. Let's fucking go Nigeria. Let's fucking go DC. Let's fucking go LA. Let's fucking go trees, new beach. We be out on the coast. Swimsuit, two-piece. Catch me doing the most. Eating good in Perry. Grab a glass, make a toast to life. Just live.
Anyways, y'all, I just got out the shower. Washed my hair. My bundles have all been dealt with and currently sitting in condition. I was gonna wash it out tonight while I washed out my hair, but I said I will wait in the morning before I go to work. I'm gonna rinse them all and hang them all on the balcony to dry, so by the time I come home they should be completely dry, because I definitely need those in order to do my hairstyle. So yeah, but I'm happy. I'm making progress. It's Tuesday. It's probably Wednesday now. It's probably midnight. But yeah, I'm about to wrap my hair. I'm about to wrap my hair and go to bed. I'm tired. So yeah, I feel like my week up until I feel like my week up until I leave is usually super hectic and long hours, long days. So it was expected. I'll make a back for it on the plane. I'll sleep. So yeah, and again, I don't feel like I have too much things that I have to worry about this time. So yeah. So guys, tomorrow when we have 5 more days. Oh my god, I can count it on one hand now, y'all. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. Y'all, today's not a great day. My friend's nephew passed away. He committed suicide, which is so freaking crazy. Like, I don't know, but anyways, y'all, I can't with no more debt, you know. That's not bad. I can't, but I wanted to show you guys the bundles. So here they are. They smell so good. They're not fully dry yet. I'm gonna bring them inside and make them finish drying inside. But yeah, my bohos will be so freaking cute. My bohos are gonna be so cute. I don't even want to cut these, but they're gonna be so cute. Eula, if you would like to sponsor me again, please do. Okay? If you would, oh, it smells so good. It smells so good, y'all. And then you like a damn idiot yesterday. When I couldn't tell me say I put the conditioner on before I put on the shampoo. Sure. Anyways, I got a little bundles. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna hang them up and make them finish drying. And then I'll come back to you guys. Literally just came through the door. I'm about to go downstairs, get the groceries out of the car, and try to make something because I need food for the rest of the week. I'm not trying to spend any more money. And yeah. So talk to you guys tomorrow. I mean later. What do I have to do today? I need to look for balloons. I need to pre-part my hair. I need to start editing a video. I need to make passport covers for my friend. Speaking of passport covers, let me see if I have mine here, because I'm not gonna be the only one that's not gonna have no passport club. If I can find it. Oh, I swear I saw it just now. Anyways, I'll be right back, y'all, okay? Because I feel discombobulationed. Oh, here we are. Azadzale, baby, azadzale. You know, the ones I got for the ones that I'm doing for my friend is nicer. Kind of jelly. Yeah. Azadzale. And I don't know what's the point of having these things, because every time you have them and I reach the airport, they're always like, oh, can you take it out of the case? Why? Why is it so hard for you to find the page and do what you need to do on the page? Like, I'm so confused. Y'all, I hate my passport picture. Never mind, I'm not even showing this to y'all. Yeah. So yeah, that's done. Thank God. And yeah. So I'll be back when a little bit more is happening. Okay? This is a different get ready with me, y'all, because ain't nothing fun about this trip. Honestly. Ain't nothing fun about this. And then today, forget yours, my friend go lose our nephew. I don't know, but we move. Okay, guys. Oh, be right back. I need my phone once again. The back is done. I think I did the same amount of rows as the last time. One, yeah. I don't know. Something I forgot to do with that one, yeah. Maybe I have to make them look smaller. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a little lean, but
introducing you to people who can expand your mind, your brain, that can help you feel.
okay. I'm done. It's 10:45. I'm gonna go bathe, have a little dinner, my bed, maybe. I'm tired. Y'all, pray that we make it. Because I can't be bothered with this one. Cancelled. Anyways, y'all. Maybe I'll come back and show you guys my dinner, but I'm tired. It's been a day. I'm tired. Good night. Maybe I'll be back. I don't know. Bye. Hi y'all. So I have this package. I wasn't gonna open it, but I kind of want to see what my stuff looks like. It's been sitting down here shockingly since, what was the Chris Brown concert? Sunday? And I still have packages going to my mom's house, so I have a lot of stuff to pick up on Sunday again. But this is my bag of goodies. So let's see what we've got. I'm not trying it on. Okay, so I got some nail charms. Oh, these are so cute. They're a lot smaller than I thought, but still so freaking cute. Okay. Oh, what's this? Ooh. Okay, so I got this dress. It's supposed to imitate like it's your body. You know, just a cute little long maxi dress. I'll insert the picture and I will try my hardest. I'm gonna try my hardest to do like OOTDs. If not OOTDs, I'm gonna at least try to get video content of my outfits and then do like a lookbook. I remember when lookbooks were a thing. Like, I want to get my creative juices going again. Okay, this is my bow. I do want to wear a bow for the funeral. I kind of want to add pearls to it, so we'll see. But got a bow. Okay. Kind of smells. Damn, I forgot about that. Okay, got a bow. I have these silver glasses I have been dying to wear. So this dress, this metallic silver, cute little mini dress. It's worth it, but we'll see. We shall see. This two-piece, super excited about. There was another two-piece set that I really, really liked. But I waited too long to get it. And I know for this, I probably could have sized down. But I wanted the yellow, and the yellow only came in 1X. But at least the belly, the pants part won't too suck on palm belly. It will give me the little baggy look when I look for, you know. So I got that two-piece. It's cute, you know. You want to do dinner one day or something, or I don't know. I got a lot of maxi dresses. This is nice. This is a cute little maxi dress. Simple, cute, and girly. Cute and girly and comfortable. That is what I want to be. I can't do the dress up thing in the heat anymore. Now the time. Okay, I'm excited about this. This is another 2-piece. Oh, these clothes stink. Oh, my buttons. Okay. Cute little oh, no, lie. There we go. Cute little 2-piece. I could wear this down actually. This is another 2-piece. Looking like the naked body. It's a skirt. Why this whole time I thought it was shorts? I thought it was shorts this whole freaking time. Okay. The only thing I didn't get that I wish I had gotten was like an everyday like side bag. These I think I'm gonna try because yeah. I got one for I got one for Kiana's brother's girlfriend for the funeral. Hers are blue. And I loved it. I was like, damn, and I seen these are only $9, y'all. $9. They're so cute. Cute and girly. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I gotta find a cute little top. Cute top to wear with that. Here's some more nail gems. I got some little blue flowers to be on theme. Wow. I got these pearl rings. I thought they were, well, they'll look cuter when they're on. It just looks like invisible, like pearls are just on your hand, so I got that to be on theme. And then I also got these cross nail charms as well for the funeral. I think these are my glasses. I swear I have white glasses like this. Okay. Need white glasses for the funeral. I'm so proud of myself. I did not wait till last minute to do anything. Like, so proud of myself. The bag is a lot bigger than I thought. The bag I got for the funeral. I showed y'all the shoes. Right, with the little pearls. Ooh, so I got my little pearl bag. I love this strap. It's perfect. Even though we're supposed to be accessorizing the gold, I mean silver. No. Yeah, I don't know why the naked clothes were screaming to me, but I got this shirt. Super cute. It looks a lot different than it did look online. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely lied. I thought it was a whole different shirt style. Like, I could have made this. Anyways. I was trying to buy shirts, you know, because I'm just like, I can make this. This outfit I want to wear down. It's just a bodysuit. Oh, these are the earrings I got. I got this ring also. I didn't realize. I swear I have one already. This bracelet. It's gonna be pearl outs. And oh, I got the angel wings. Oh wow, enough things I gotta put on my nails. Yeah. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's another white dress. Not another white dress, it's a white dress. It's another dress, but it's white. Simple beats, y'all. Nothing extravaganza. I didn't buy no extravaganza outfits. I feel like from when I went to Cuba and from when I went to Mexico last year, even when I was going to Jamaica, like the amount of clothes that I have that still have tags on them, I need to buy a whole bunch of stuff. And there's so much stuff that don't have tags on them that I still never got to wear. I need to buy a whole bunch of stuff. So I just wanted a lot of like judging, like yo, these nails, man. Holy. I hate when it gets to this stage when everything just hurts. Like, frig. It's irritating me. I just don't want to do a whole full set, but I might as well have to at this point because this is painful. Frig, man. That just flew off the nail bed. What else did I want to show you guys? My hair, which I got yesterday. So I got 3 packs of this. Yeah, the one that I used last time was 40 inches. It's 42. I was gonna do 50 something, but then when I looked, I was like, whoa, those are hella long, and I don't want to be braiding my hair like for that long. Anybody got time for that? So that is gonna have to work. Plus, I'm gonna want too much things for my head. Curls, braids. No. When it's up, I just fling up my hair. And yeah, that's all for Wednesday, y'all. Sandy's package has been held since Monday night. For some reason, I just got off the phone with FedEx and they're about to open up a case because I'm like, this needs to reach her by Friday. The earliest, the latest Saturday morning, and even then I don't want it to reach there because there's gift boxes there and she needs to set them up and pack the boxes. Which there's only 10, it won't be a lot, but still, I hate inconveniencing people. You know what I mean? And they told me it would arrive on time. Literally, it should have been there today. Actually, it should have been there today. So, I don't know. But it's in Ohio. I just checked how long the drive is. It's 6 hours. So, fingers crossed. If somehow it's done tomorrow, it can get to her by Friday latest. So, yeah. But I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Now, come got my babe. Yeah? Bye. Hey guys, it's Thursday and we leave in 4 days. So, as I told you guys, I was coming home today and starting my hair. I just came in and I went straight to it. So I managed to get through 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Yeah, if I was just doing regular braids, it would have been done, like I would have been halfway done through my head, but boho takes a while. So this is where we're at. So I have 4 more rows to do. I have some hair out here, but I'm just like, I'll just wait until tomorrow and come home and finish my hair. And hopefully I can get through a lot tomorrow, wake up Saturday, finish through a lot, and then that way I have like Saturday night and Sunday to finish doing what I need to do. I'm down to these many nails. Damn, 3 are gone on this. But yeah, so how much do I have? Oh wow, I'm literally half. But I needed these to braid, so fingers crossed. I don't know what time I don't know what time my nail lady is open until on Friday. I mean on Sunday, but I want that to be my last appointment. I'm not doing lashes this time. I'm gonna bring my own and do my own. Honestly guys, I think that's it. I literally have everything. Like I made sure every week leading up until I took care of stuff, there's just a little runarounds that I need to do, and that's mainly just the dollar store. And I may need to go to the mall and pick up 1 or 2 things. Like that's if I want to be extra, but everything is literally Dollar Tree and Amazon. Yeah, like I don't got anything to do. A friend of mine reached out to me today to do something, and then I don't know if my girlfriend that I told you guys yesterday, her nephew passed away. I don't know if they're going to be doing anything for him over the weekend, but if they are, I told her to let me know so that I can show my respects. I can't believe talk because she's gone. It's crazy. But yeah. Doing good for time. So currently only using one so far. So far so good. Stories on Monday. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go shower now. It's 10:54. I'll go have a shower and then find something to eat and go sleep. I want McDonald's in the morning, and I feel like for the last couple mornings I've just gone to bed super late. Yeah, I'll just wrap up my head tomorrow and go on to work like this and call it a day. But I'm so happy I'm making progress. Everything is making progress, so tomorrow's my last day of work until July. And I'm missing so much things. But I don't know, this trip is so bittersweet. But whatever. And I still don't know if WestJet is going on strike, y'all. Gotta check in the morning and pray. Camera. It's too much things is going in camera. Just want to get out of here. Okay, so I'm gonna pack up this hair and resume tomorrow. I have to leave work early. I have to go to the bank. Something happened with my account, so I need to go get a new card, try to reopen my account so that I can use the card, because that's the card I want to use for Jamaica. My life. I'm not even going to try to take up too much of this hair because I'll be right back in here tomorrow. And I made enough food to last me for the rest of my days. So I'm good with that. I don't gotta be in the kitchen. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. And I still am only using one of, you saw the first pack, first bundle. Thank God. I did not need to buy so many. Okay. Anyways, y'all. Is there anything else? I don't think so. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I need to go order some balloons before I go to bed. She can pick those up for me. Okay, bye guys. Hi guys, so it's not Friday, but let's call it Friday. It's Saturday morning now, but technically Friday, coming to sleep yet. And we have what, 3 days left? I came home and I started my hair straight right away, and I did quite a bit. I'm pretty proud of myself. Like, I got through a lot of my hair, like I did a lot better than I thought I was gonna do, and I wanted to stay up until 3 o'clock. I'm not too far. 2:19. Right? And I'm gonna go to bed now. I think I did enough for one night. Y'all, I started at 6. I started at 6 and I did all of this. So I just have this top portion left to do. I think I counted about 8 or 10 rows up here left to do. And this is like the shorter half of my hair that I have up here to do. So I'm running through it really quick. So I'm gonna go to sleep now, try to wake up super early and get my hair done. Hopefully I finish my hair by like 3 the latest tomorrow. So if I need to run on the road and go do anything, I can still do that in a reasonable time frame and all of that kind of stuff. But I'm so happy and I love it. I love it. I love it more than the first time. And I loved the first time. So I think the bundles this time were a lot better. Anyways, y'all, as I said, it's bedtime. I will see you guys later today and Saturday. Damn, the week finished fast, yo. Too fast. But anyways, y'all, talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to Saturday. 2 days till Jamaica. It's 10:11. I set my alarm for 8 o'clock this morning. I was up, I just didn't get out of bed. Yeah, so we're back again. I'm gonna finish up. Today is raining. I'm not mad at that. I will be forced to stay inside, although apparently it's supposed to rain every day up until I leave, so yeah, but I hope I just have like a few more hours left in my head and then I can still go on the road and do some stuff. And cut down what I gotta do for tomorrow. I would really love if I can pack tonight. I feel like I don't want to rush. I want to properly pack back my stuff that I don't decide to bring, instead of coming back to an extreme mess. Because when I come back, I'm going straight to work the next day. So let's see how fast we can speed through this. Although I'm not gonna lie, I'm very proud of myself with how much I've done so far. have about a bundle and a half in my hair. And it's so nice and full. This is, yeah, this is the volume I want. And we're done with it. Do a good finger comb through. So I can take out any pieces that are not fully secured. Anyways. Let's go.
Head held high, even though it's not a lie that we knee deep in the dust. Killing time while pretending that we're fine, thinking someday we will burst. You and I are falling behind and not ready to go. Get out while we're whole. Now take my advice. Take my advice. Let go, I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink. We sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. It takes some time, even though it's just a smile, but I hate it when I'm faking. With you all night in a body that ain't mine, thinking I am gonna burst. You and I are falling behind and not ready to go. Get out while we're whole. Now take my advice. Take my advice. Let go, I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink. We sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. I hear we sink into the ocean, the ocean blue, the ocean. I wanna leave and finally be free. Free of all our expectations. No more couple invitations. I wanna let go. I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink. We sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. I hear we sink into the ocean blue, the ocean.
What time did I tell you guys it was when I first got in here? Yo, this day has been long. I'm over it. But I'm literally on the last, what are you doing here? Last row. I got 3 more. And I wanted to take a break, but I said no. No. So here we go. And it's so freaking hot in this bathroom. Oh my god. My feet hurt. And I want to go outside. Is it 9 o'clock yet? No, not yet. Okay. Alright guys, final look. Something about that hairstyle. See how small they are? This is my summer hairstyle because I'm not doing my hair again this summer. 2 summers in a row. Two Julys. Alright. Bye. Y'all, we should be leaving tomorrow, right? WestJet. Like, never again. Never again. Y'all, these people canceled my flight. And I've been rescheduled to a flight tomorrow, but now they're talking about canceling flights on Tuesday. I mean, not tomorrow, on Tuesday. And now they're talking about canceling flights on Tuesday. Y'all, these people have canceled over 830 flights already. 830 flights already. I was literally on hold today for 3 hours before I was able to talk to a representative. I'm just praying to God that I wake up tomorrow morning and I'm able to check in and there's no more fucking issues, because at this point, I'm getting super freaking nervous because it does not look like these people are about to resolve anything or come to any sort of resolution or agreement on anything. But we move. I still went ahead today and did everything that I needed to do. I pushed my nail appointment back till tomorrow because I was like, I want my nails to be as fresh as possible. So I still have to go do my nails tomorrow. All my Amazon packages have arrived. They're at my mom's, so I gotta pick those up tomorrow. And yeah, today we went and did a little bit of shopping. Not too much, I just picked up a few things. I did get a new pair of Crocs. So I got me the black ones. They're so small and cute. Like, so tiny and cute. So I'm happy I got the black now. I'm gonna boil my yellow ones though, because I need those babies to shrink down a little bit. And I also got my sister a pair of, like, y'all, look at the box size difference. And this is only one size difference. Like, this is only one size difference. Mine is a 9 and hers is a 10. Like, why does it look like that? But anyway, she wanted pink Crocs. She said she's wearing bootleg ones right now. So she said if me I get, she forgets. So hubby bought us Crocs. Big up him. And yeah, because we're gonna need these for sure. I was gonna keep it in the box. I'm gonna take me out, go keep it in another box. But you know Jamaicans. You know Jamaicans. So yeah, when I got that, aside from that, what did I buy? Actually, y'all, I have a list and I need to be checking it off. I'm gonna come in earlier today. I'm gonna bring, oh yes I did. Okay, I got the plates, the cutlery. Oh shoot. Dollar store, travel authorization, LCBO, bonnet, hairspray, film battery, did not get that. Setting powder, don't have. Lash glue, did not get that, but I can check our card. And okay, so that's not bad. On my list I had get the plates, get the cutleries. My sister had asked me for a bra. Didn't get the chance to look for that. I needed to get socks. Got the socks. Took the suit from the closet. Nails tomorrow. I went to Orifice. I get the packages from my mom tomorrow when I go do my nails because they're right there. I went to the dollar store. I'm supposed to get an Airbnb, but I'm gonna wait until I get there because apparently a hurricane is supposed to be coming as well. Baby, if I was born a seasoning, y'all, I would be salt. Okay? If I was born a seasoning, I would be salt. I did my travel authorization. I wanted to look for a black side bag, like an everyday bag, but I'm just gonna bring whatever. And yeah, LCBO went, bonnet got, hairspray got, film and batteries did not get that. You can still get that tomorrow. Setting powder, not gonna find it. I mean, I can still try. Let me write try. Lash glue can try tomorrow as well. And the Crocs, I got that. So basically I got everything on my list. Babe just went downstairs to get the rest of the stuff. So this is the bonnet that I got. Just a plain sleep cap, but I need it big so that it can hold in these this big hair. So I got this. I picked up micellar water. It's gonna be my first time using this, but I picked up one of these. Let me know which ones you guys use, because I was there so confused. There's like six different kinds. Why? I don't like when there's too many options. Like don't I like options, but I don't like when there's too many options. Like, no, like just give me three. Give me three to choose from easily. You know, when I see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things, I'm like, oh my god, my mind, like, too much. I want it all. So yeah, got that. These are the socks that I got for, yeah. And I wanted some more shorts, as I was telling. I don't know if I told you guys, but I needed some more. I feel like I needed some bottoms for the tops that I have. So I picked up these cargo shorts today at Orphis. Just some simple stuff to like throw on if I need to go in town or run on the road, go anywhere or whatever. Like, it's not a dress up thing every single day. No. So yeah, got those. These are for the funeral. Yep. I needed a new toothbrush. Yep, here's my other bag. I got I didn't pick this up. I told you I didn't need I didn't get this today, but I picked this up. I needed a mousse for the tresses, and then no, and then I got no. No, babe. I'm sorry, I didn't know you wanted it. But that's not cashew. Yeah. I wanted to try this so bad, y'all. So I got it. Can you focus? Bro. No, sir. The focus on you bad, my love. No, you know me very determined. It's off to focus. Okay. Okay, yeah. Alright. So I got that. The little Glow Reviver lip oil. I want to try that one, yeah. And I got this in the color Pink Quartz. The salad? I'm gonna come make it, babe. And then I also got the I've heard a lot about this on TikTok, the Camel Blush, and I got this in the Coral. I feel like I want like a peachy. Tonight, y'all, I gotta wash my makeup brushes. Bombat! I'm gonna wash my makeup brushes and put them on the balcony so that they can actually dry properly. But yes, I need to wash my makeup brushes. I have actually been doing makeup a lot. I was just saying to myself, I think I need to re-up on my foundation. I don't know if what I have is gonna last. Although I don't feel like I'm gonna be doing my makeup that much, but you know, just to be on the safer side. Now that babe brought the stuff in, I can show you guys the other stuff that I bought, but let me quickly go make the salad so he can have his dinner, and I'll come back and I'll show you guys the rest of the stuff that I got, okay? I'll be right back. BRB, see you guys in the next clip. 3, 2. Alright, done. Me a vlog, done. Why'd you leave the juice in here? Alright, back. So I picked up a body wash, y'all. This is my favorite one from Nivea. Like, I've been using it since Joel was living in Jamaica. Like, bomb. This and the Olay one, I can't remember the exact scent of the Olay one. It's like I think it's a strawberry something, if I'm not mistaken. I can't fully remember it. Or a rose. Can't fully remember right now, but my go-tos, like these two, always in rotation in my yard. Like, so good. So I got one for the house and I got one for Jamaica, because I go people yard, me need for have my things. I picked up a little travel bag for like my body oil and probably the micellar water, because I can't bother with nothing spilling in my bag. Can't bother with that. So got that. And then, you know, y'all go people yard, you have to bring little things. So I brought like little like snacks and stuff. Picked up 2 of the lady fingers. I don't ever remember if I ever brought them lady fingers or anything like that, but hey, I'm gonna need snacks as well. Picked up some razors because your girl needs to shave. Some cutlery for our little nights. Huh? Wawa? Sure. Sure. Sweetie. Because me I'm gonna need sweetie. And this is Angie's favorite candy. So anytime I'm gonna always bring some for her. So I'm gonna bring the, oh, you know, God, I wonder where that is. I think I still have some gummy bears from when Day came and visited me last year. Well, she didn't come visit me. But no, when she came to visit, I think I have some gummy bears left. I know I didn't go through all the packs, that's for sure. But if I find them, I'll add them to it as well. I also picked up these honey roasted nuts. Jamaican people love their nuts. I got more cotton pads. Picked up some peanuts as well. It's me buying stuff thinking I'm going somewhere and I may not go anywhere. Some more cutlery, and then these plates for our night. Did I show you guys the peanuts? And then I needed some travel bottles. I needed some like jars, like some travel jars. So I'm so happy I found this so that I can bring my little like face cream thingy, because I don't want to bring the whole thing. I don't want to carry the whole thing with me. So got some jars so I can put that stuff in there and any other thing that I needed. And then I got this little pump thingy. So I'm thinking I'm gonna fill this up with the micellar water, right? And then I have another like container I think I'm gonna fill with the micellar water, so I don't have to bring the whole thing. But I'm trying to think, like, I'm gonna be there for hopefully close to 2 weeks, and I don't know how often I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Although, like, I guess if I run out of it, I still have makeup wipes or whatever the case may be and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I seen this cute little pump thingy at Dollar Tree, this dispenser pump. So I picked up one of these. look y'all, just stay in the bathroom, man. Why y'all gotta be acting like y'all ain't got no sense? And then also I got these from Dollar Tree. Some makeup wipes. Some extra ones. I got this cute beauty blender, like travel beauty blender holder. Love that, cause yeah. And also from Dollar Tree, I got this cute little headband that, you know, I can wear when I'm doing my makeup. Oh, something juke me. Jesus, merciful Father in heaven. Oh my. Got this cute little headband. I should have got the pink. At least it would have shown a little bit better. But anyways, got this cute little headband to, you know, hold out my ear. And then I got some socks because I am bringing down my sneakers. And then from Shoppers, from Walmart, when I went to go pick up the micellar water as well, I also got this vitamin C brightening serum. I need some vitamin C in my life. So brought this, and I'm going to be using that as well. Yeah, and that's my haul from today. It was a lot. It was a very long day. I also went to Bath and Body Works. And I just picked up some stuff from the sale. I got this and the lotion and the spray, firecracker pop. It smells cute. And I also got the strawberry pound cake. I'll probably give this to Kiana and give this one to Angie. And yeah, so I'm going to like look into my accessories stuff now and just kind of like finalize getting everything in the suitcase and call it a day. I'm so disappointed that I'm not leaving tomorrow, but yeah, I don't know, y'all. Just pray that we make it on the plane. Like, just pray that we make it on the plane. But I'm kind of happy because I did want to edit, so I feel like I'm gonna edit a little bit tonight. Baby's just asking me right now like what we're gonna watch, so I'm gonna go watch something for a little bit and then probably like edit a little bit later or something. And yeah, that's all that's happening for now. Like, tomorrow at 11 I have my nail appointment, and I'm not pushing that back no more because I'm not push that back no more. Well, I guess it depends on what happens when I wake up in the morning. In the morning I'm just gonna get up and try to check in, and then from there we move. If I can check in and we're good, like, we're great, because I promise you Tuesday is not gonna find me just sitting in my house. Like, I have to be at the airport either way, like either at the airport like protesting or getting on a flight. But it's gonna be one of the two. Like, Wednesday can't catch me in Canada. I'm sorry, Wednesday can't catch me in Canada. It can't. Absolutely not. Anyways, y'all, so it is Monday, July the 1st. It is Canada Day. Happy birthday, Canada. It's 157 years. Happy birthday. Y'all, we have one day till Jamaica. I was able to successfully check in this morning. Thank God. And the strike is over so far. So fingers crossed all goes well tomorrow. I make it to Jamaica. Although there is a hurricane that is about to come and it's at category 4 right now. So it's just a time right now. But I just... I just am getting home. Whatchamacallit, might go to a party right now. Not 100% sure because like all of these things are just happening so freaking fast and I'm just like, huh? So yeah, might go to Zimmy, brunch. They're having one here in Canada, in Toronto today. So my girlfriend just called me about that. So I may go, but Jojo I know wants to go so bad. So he's up there trying to figure out an outfit, and I just got home from the nail store. Just did my nails. Freaking love them. Yeah, cute and girly. It's given, yeah. So yeah. Just pulled up to the house. I'm gonna go upstairs, see if I can find something to wear that I'm comfortable in. If I'm not feeling it, I'm just not feeling it. Like, it wasn't in the plan. I washed my makeup brushes yesterday, y'all, because I was under the impression that I had no other events to attend, and now I may need to go use them and do my face again. My friend is saying she wants to go there for around 3 o'clock. It's from 11 to 7. So yeah, it's 1 o'clock on the dot right now, which means gotta go get ready now. So, and I'm supposed to meet up with a supporter to get something that she made for me and all of these things. And where she is, she's leaving at 2 o'clock and it's 1. So let me go inside and figure things out and come back to you guys, okay? But we're going to Jamaica one day, thank God. And yeah, and I gotta wash too, like, I don't know how this is gonna work out for me.